Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all about Elliott wave theory and analysis, the background to it, and basically how it works and should you use it in Forex trading. Now, the actual theory dates back to 1938, where a guy called Ralph Nelson Elliott published a book called The Wave Principle, where he outlined his method of predicting the markets. He followed it up actually with a book in 1946 called Nature's Law, Secret of the Universe, where he postulated that he could predict anything. Now, the guy himself actually died penniless in poverty. He never made any money trading. But his theory has become very, very popular in the Forex community. So what actually is it? Well, basically it postulates that markets are cyclical. We know that anyway. And then it basically is a theory that just works around peaks and troughs which form waves. So you've got waves going up, waves coming back. It's basically totally subjective. It's not predictive at all. And traders actually use this theory. It's one of those extraordinary things where a theory that plainly doesn't add up is used by Forex traders. And the reason it doesn't add up is if you can predict the future, then your method should be very objective, not subjective, which Elliott wave theory is. I think one of the things with Elliott wave is there's a bit of mysticism about it. He also uses the Fibonacci number sequence, which is very popular with Forex traders. And it's another theory that's got no place in Forex trading. It was developed in 12th century Italy by Fibonacci, just basically show exponential growth. He posed a problem to do with rabbits, which was basically, if you've got a pair of rabbits, they produce another pair of rabbits, which produce another pair of rabbits after the first month, and then those rabbits go on to produce more rabbits. You've got an exponential growth of rabbits. That is basically the Fibonacci sequence. That has basically been put into Elliott wave. You've got a lot of people out there selling strategies, systems, courses, software to do with Elliott wave. Brokers talk about Elliott wave as well as being a good way to trade the markets. But is it a good way to trade the markets? Of course it's not. Human nature is not predictable, never has been predictable. And the idea that you're going to predict in advance what happens is just basically not based on the facts. There's a lot of people who actually believe in Elliott wave, but if you actually go and look at the logic behind it, the logic doesn't stack up at all. And I would actually recommend forget predictive theories in Forex markets and go for theories that are just based around trading the odds. That's what the great traders do. They don't try and predict anything. They just basically react to price change. So do I think you should use Elliott wave? You probably gathered from this video the answer is a resounding no. It's a theory you should pass by. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Have a good day.